What if I told you there's a technology that's already in your pocket, in your bank, even in your office? A technology that can write poetry, pass medical exams, and even drive a car. Well, it's called artificial intelligence, and it isn't some sci-fi movie concept. It's happening right now, all around us.
So where do you actually find this AI? You'd probably be surprised. It's not hiding away in some high-tech lab. Nope, it's already woven right into the fabric of your daily life, working silently in the background to make things just a little bit smoother, faster, and more personal for you.
I mean, just think about it for a second. When you unlock your phone just by looking at it, that's AI. When Netflix is creepy good at knowing exactly what show you want to binge watch next, you better believe that's a multi-billion-dollar AI at work. And when Google Maps cleverly reroutes you to save you from a massive traffic jam, yep, that's AI too. It's literally everywhere, working behind the scenes.
Okay, but what's the big deal? Why is AI such a huge leap forward? I mean, what makes it so fundamentally different from every other piece of technology we've ever created? Well, the answer comes down to one single revolutionary idea that changes absolutely everything.
You see, at its heart, artificial intelligence is all about making machines smart. And I don't just mean smart like a calculator that can do math really fast. I'm talking about being smart enough to actually learn, to think, to reason, and to solve problems, a lot like we do. Let's put it this way. A simple calculator is a perfect example of old tech. It just follows instructions. You tell it 2 plus 2, it will always give you 4. It can't learn or get any better. An AI, on the other hand, learns from data. If you show it a million pictures of cats, it actually starts to understand what a cat looks like, and it gets better and better over time. And that's the crucial difference. One just follows rules, the other actually learns. So, how in the world does this learning thing actually happen? It's not magic, even though it can definitely feel like it sometimes. Modern AI is really powered by 3 key ingredients, all working together. Let's break down what those are.
So, ingredient number 1, data. You need mountains of it. Think of data as the food that feeds the AI's brain. Second, you need algorithms. These are like the recipes that tell the AI how to cook that data and find all the interesting patterns. And finally, you need a ton of computing power. Basically, a really, really powerful oven to process everything at lightning speed. Data, algorithms, and power. Together, they are the engine of AI. Now, here's something you really need to know. Not all AI is the same. Right now, every single AI you use is what we call narrow AI. It's an absolute genius at one specific thing, like filtering your email or understanding your voice, but it can't do anything else. The ultimate dream, the thing you see in sci-fi movies, is general AI. That's a machine that could do basically anything a human can. We're not there yet, but that's where this whole field is headed. For a long, long time, AI was great at specific jobs, but it always lacked, that human touch. That is, until one specific moment, when the whole world realized that AI had crossed a mind-blowing threshold. It could now think and reason and create in a way almost nobody saw coming. So, get this. A student used an AI to write an entire essay. They turned it in, and the professor, an expert, mind you, had no idea. He couldn't tell the difference between the AI's work and a human's. He gave it an A. That one event sent a massive shockwave through the world. It was real, concrete proof that AI could now communicate complex ideas at a human level. The game had officially changed. All right, so with all of this unbelievable power, what does AI actually mean for you, especially right here in India? Well, you shouldn't think of it as a threat. In fact, it's the exact opposite. For commerce students and business professionals, this is probably the single greatest opportunity of our lifetime. Let's just talk about the sheer scale of this for a second. There are over 600 million smartphone users in India. And guess what? Every single one of those phones is powered by AI. Whether it's Google Assistant speaking Hindi, or Swiggy predicting what you want for dinner, or your bank flagging a fraudulent transaction, AI is already the engine driving digital India. And let me be perfectly clear about this. The people who understand how AI works, who learn how to use these incredible new tools, who know how to ask the right questions to get the best results, those are going to be the most valuable professionals of the next decade, bar none. This isn't about being replaced. It's about being empowered. It's about being able to analyze market data in seconds, draft entire business plans in minutes, and help your customers more efficiently than ever before. Look, the AI revolution isn't coming anymore. It's already here.
The technology is moving faster than anyone could have predicted, and it is changing everything. So, really, the only question left for you to ask yourself is this: are you going to be a passenger, just watching it all happen from the sidelines? Or are you going to get in the driver's seat and decide where you want to go?